Today we will be using a program called Naviance. Naviance is a program that allows us to investigate career interests. These interests will be used to help us pick options for Career Day, which is in a couple weeks. Let's get started with our login. The first thing to do is go to the West Des Moines Community Schools website. Teachers, wait for all students to get here. The web address is wdmcs.org. Once you've gotten to this website, you should see this startup screen. The next step is to click on the Students tab at the top of the screen here. I am circling it right here. Click on this tab, and this will take us to the Student tab in the website. On the right-hand side, near the middle of the screen, you will see Naviance Student. Click on this, and it'll take us to a new screen. In this screen, you will want to click on Stillwell Junior High. When you click on Stillwell Junior High, it will ask you to log in to Clever. Mine's already set up here, so I did not have to log in, but if you have never gone into Clever, you will need to log in. Your login will be the same login that you use to get into Google. Once you have logged in, the screen will look like this, and you will have different options of things that you can go into. At the bottom of the screen, you are going to see the Naviance tab. You're going to want to click on the Naviance tab right here, and once you do, what you will see is this screen here. All right, and at the top of it, you will see welcome and your name. You will know you have gotten logged in once you got there. This is where we will investigate our career options. Teachers, please move to the Career Cluster Finder video to see what the next steps are.